Today we're going to discuss the differences between the verbs arrive, get, and reach when we talk about destinations. All three of these words can be used to describe the action of coming to a place, but they are used in slightly different contexts and with different prepositions. Let's start with arrive. Arrive is a formal word that is often used in written English and in formal situations. It is typically followed by the preposition at when referring to a small place or in when referring to a larger place. It is not correct to use the preposition to with the verb arrive. Use arrive with preposition at when you are talking about a specific point or location, such as a city, a building, a specific address, or a named place. It emphasizes reaching a particular destination.
We will arrive at the airport at 4 p.m.
She arrived at the restaurant a little early.
Use arrive with preposition in when you are discussing a larger area or a general place, such as a country, a region, a town, or an island. It indicates reaching a broader geographical location.
They will arrive in Indonesia next week.
He arrived in Bali for his vacation.
We don't use a preposition after arrive when it's followed by words like home, there, here, somewhere, or anywhere. These words typically serve as adverbs of place, and arrive can directly be used with them.
We arrived home late last night.
She arrived here just in time.
Have you arrived somewhere safe?
Use reach to indicate the act of arriving at a destination, often emphasizing the accomplishment of arriving or achieving a goal. And remember, we don't use a preposition.
I'll call you when I reach the restaurant.
We were relieved to reach the airport on time.
They're on a road trip and plan to reach the seaside by sunset to enjoy the beach.
Get is less formal and more commonly used in everyday spoken English. It is usually followed by the preposition to.
It took us a while, but we finally got to the top of the mountain.
We got to the theater just as the movie was starting.
Using the preposition to after get in front of home is not common in standard English. Get home is the more typical and idiomatic way to express the action of returning to your place of residence. It's generally understood that home is the destination, so the preposition to is not necessary.
I often get home late due to traffic during rush hour.